Mi gente, guys. Good morning. Rise and grind, baby, because you know what? Today's a beautiful day. Also, it's Friday. Hey, it's one of those days, man. Enjoying the day. Woke up with a lot of energy. And today we're actually going to Roosevelt Island to fix some, I believe it's a walk-in box and a reach-in cooler, if I'm not mistaken. We don't know. We'll find out when we get there. We're going to a restaurant today. They have some issues with some refrigeration. Normally, I don't like to do refrigeration because it's a pain in the ass. The temperature is very sensitive when it comes to food products because if it's off a few degrees, food starts spoiling. But it's more of a favor, like a friend of a friend of a friend. So I try to help them out because I've been having bad luck finding good HVAC guys. So that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned, guys. Wepa! Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, Wepa. Good morning, everybody. We're here in Roosevelt Island, New York. That's right, guys. We're here at Nisi's Kitchen. That's right. We're actually here to work today to fix one of his deli cases, which actually holds his pastries. Unfortunately, we're a little too late, meaning that we weren't able to get here on time because he needed this done a couple of days ago. He did call and book 2 days ago, but unfortunately, we weren't able to get it fast enough because we have to book with other previous work. And you know, it is what it is. But you know what? Most importantly, we have a great relationship, and he always keeps us in mind. So if we don't get him today, we'll get him next time. But that's what I'm trying to say out there to everybody is that that's super important. Business based on relationships. So guys, if you're listening out there, if you own a business based on a relationship, and you're gonna last for many more years to come. But anyway, if you have any problems with your heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, plumbing, we do it all. Any HVAC work, you call who? That's right, you call this sexy stud at 516-377-5200, and it's Louie the Boiler Man, Wepa! I let the boss speak at this beautiful restaurant here in Roosevelt Island, New York. Speak a little bit about your restaurant so everybody knows about your restaurant, who you are.
This place has been here 25 years. I've been here for 25 years and we're doing great. Come on down.
That's right, guys. He had great pastry, great coffee. Thank you for the coffee, by the way. You know, the purpose of me coming on here today also was to come check over his refrigeration. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take care of it because we're busy with other work, so you had to hire somebody else. But it's nothing personal because in this type of business, that's how it works. In emergency, you need to get the job done right away. But I give him my card. He always had me in mind. I was also a referral for somebody that we mutually know. So the next time, if I can't do it this time, I'll do it next time. The main thing is relationship. I build my business on relationship just like him for the past 25 years. I don't have 25 years like him, but we've been doing it for a long time. But most importantly, guys, is build relationships. And even if I couldn't take care of it today, I'm sure he'll call me next time. That's all that matters. You know what? As long as he sends me a Christmas card on Christmas, right? It's a pleasure. Stay tuned, guys.